That is a magnificent piece of ironwood right there. Absolutely beautiful. That is going to make some beautiful knife handles. And I can get probably 4 handles out of this for a knife like the Nessmuck dinner skinner, or I could just get 1 out of for my Texas Rumble. And I paid, shipped to the house, $40 even. And then you have this desert ironwood. Didn't pay a whole lot for it, but in the picture on their website, they sure, what they had was this one on top, which I could get a cattle out of that. But I mean, what am I going to get out of that? You know, I might be able to get a dinner skinner out of the, you know, between the two. I might. I'll have to put my pattern on here to see. Rip off. But I only paid $14 shipped. So live and learn. Here, I'm going to tell you who this is, because they did a fantastic job. Not only they have a nice website, but easy to pay. Let me turn this off. Easy to pay, immediate shipping. And there's their website, ArizonaIronwood.com. Please don't buy it all, because I'm going to buy more. But gorgeous piece of wood. Very nice job, very well packaged, shipped quickly, easy pay. And then there's that. Live and learn. So I will be spending a lot more time buying my wood from them. So when I sell a knife, keep in mind that $40 of it is handle. You know, not every knife, but I do splurge on some knives, and I have to add that to the price of the knife when I get around to selling it. And I have a knife right now that I'm fixing to go, here, let's go in this way. I have a knife right now that I'm fixing to put them on, but I've got another one. I've got these 3, and then I have this Caddo, this Damascus Caddo, and that is zebra wood. And I put the very first coat of true oil on it tonight. I hope tonight I'll be able to sand it down back to bare wood and put the second coat on. You having a good nap? And there's Toto. There's Toto. There's that good boy Toto. Lucy Bill. Breezy boy. So, well, I'm going to drink a cup of coffee and go back to the shop and start grinding the bevels on the Texas Rumble I've got cut out and mounted on my bevel grinding jig. And this is what's going on them. And this will be the first Texas Rumble that I actually sell, because well, never mind. I'll tell you about that. Or I won't tell you about that. This is going to be the first Texas Rumble that I'm actually going to be selling. So I know I have another Texas Rumble, but it's going somewhere else. And it's going to a friend of mine. Yeah. So, and then I didn't charge, and so there you go. Alrighty, I'm getting lost. Okay, coffee, that's right. Coffee, and then back to the shop. So I have to make a decision. I can just barely get a Texas Rumble handle and a dinner skinner, or I could easily get 2 Nessmucks. I do believe, yes, I can. And I'm not sure about, yeah, I think I can get 2 Caddos out of this. Good Lord. Excuse me. Decisions. I do not know what to do. I think I do like making the caddos. I like making the nessmucks. I can only get one on this, and I have a lot of nice wood, so I think I'm not going to put it on that, although this is my favorite knife to make. Caddo would be my second, and nessmuck would be my third, and the dinner skinner, there's nice little quick knives to make. They're not big. They're good for skinning small game or cutting a steak. So I'll tell you what, I'm going to draw. I'm going to trace this here and then flip it over and make sure I can actually get two out of it. Be right back. Yes, I can. I can definitely get two caddos out of it. So I know I can get two nessmucks, but people seem to like the caddo, so I think I'm going to go ahead and use this wood on the caddo, two caddos. Okay, thanks for following me through my decision-making process. Oh yeah, this, not even big enough for a dinner skinner. Yeah, I'm not gonna say screwed. I mean, I knew what I was getting into, but I kinda, and there's just no way to squeeze a dinner skinner handle out of this. No. Although, maybe. I'm right on the edge here. And that little notch there, that is just about where I start the end of my handle and come up. I might be able to squeeze. This is desert ironwood. That's not stabilized, and it's not burl. This is desert ironwood burl here with a dyed stabilization process. God, that's beautiful wood, huh? Okay, there you go. I'm gonna drink my coffee, and then I'm gonna grind the bevels on this rack chair. I'll tell you what, my bevels are getting better and better and more uniform. And I owe it to this homemade grinding jig, bevel grinding jig. And this has really, you know, I'm never going to be able to do freehand. And for some reason, whenever you talk to the guys who can do freehand, they always try to convince you, oh, you need to learn how to do freehand. Well, I'll never be able to do freehand. So I'm going to have to use my jig. That's all there is to it. And I'm really happy with the way the bevels are coming out now. And they are exact on both sides. I have one tiny little bubble right here. But when I sand these grind lines out, this line here becomes a little softer. And the minor imperfections, you'll never be able to notice it. Plus, I'll be able to somewhat fix it with sandpaper, with a handwork. And now that starts. All right, I'm gonna go put it in my Chuck Ward knife vise. If you want one of these, let me know. I can get you one for 140 bucks shipped to your door in the United States. What is that? Is that, did I just do a plug? Did I just self-promote? I think I did. Okay, let me get to sanding on this, because tomorrow, Sunday, I'm going to do a live stream out here. I think I got to get my laptop out and make sure I have a good enough signal. Here's my Wi-Fi booster, and there's the house, and my Wi-Fi is on the far end of that house. So the Wi-Fi has to come through all that and then get boosted by this. And the other day I did a live stream out there. See where the fire is out there? My wife and I were sitting out there at the fire, and I was picking up this booster, and I did a live stream, and it seemed to be okay. So I think I can do a live stream from in here. I'm going to use a webcam, and I'll connect it to my laptop over here. And I have like 30 feet of cable from my webcam, so I'll be able to go all over the place. I'll show you what I'm going to start with. I'm going to start from start to finish. How I cut out a knife on this, what steel I use, and just step by step go from there. It's probably going to be a, many live streams. I thought I might just do an hour at a time, starting at noon, and we'll see. We'll play it by ear. So, if you're seeing this, it'll probably be Monday or Tuesday before you see this. So what I'm saying here won't make any sense, will it? Actually, maybe I'll upload this for in the morning, and that way you'll have some notice that at noon Central Time, I'm going to try and do a live stream from out here, and I'm going to go from start to finish on building a knife. Okay, see you at noon. Okay, I wasn't done. I am going to use this for two cados. I have another piece of wood that I got from Russia, and took a long time to get it. It took about 6 weeks to get here, and paid a pretty good amount of money. And I can get a Texas rumble handle out of it. So, actually, I can get two out of it. And this is burl walnut root from Russia, and it's stabilized. So, that's going to make a nice handle. And this was $60 to get this from Russia, but I thought I could probably get two handles out of it, so that would be $30 a knife, and I can. So we'll see how it looks on this one. Here, let me put a little spit on that. That's what it's going to look like. That's going to be fun to make. Okay, now I'm done. Come here. What am I, a big cow?
Come on, Mommy. Come on, Mommy. Oh, she's pretty. You look like Farmer Brown that might want to eat them.
Well, I do want to eat them, but not right now.
Come on, Mommy. Oh, they're so pretty. Does he look like somebody that wants to eat you?
I'm a vegan. Don't worry, trust me, I'm a vegan. I eat grass and chew a cud just like you.
My titties was itching.
So you're not going to come over here, huh?
Aren't they pretty?
They are pretty. The long hair. That one's got some long hair right there.
Come here and I'll pet you. You scared them off. Come on, Mommy. Come on, Mommy. Come on, I want to scratch you on the head. Come on. Come on, I want to scratch you. Come on, Mommy. Come on, Mommy. The other ones are just totally ignoring us. And these two yearlings. They're used to somebody feeding them. I want to get that plastic bag that's right there.
That's a feed bag, right? No, actually it says Owens Corning on it, so it's some kind of insulation bag.